Are you wondering if you're on track to financial success? Today, we're exploring 7 key signs that could indicate you're on the right path to becoming wealthy. From setting clear financial goals to embracing continuous learning, these signs provide a roadmap to assess your progress. They also serve as a great motivator, reminding you that wealth creation is a journey, not a race. So, if you're ready to discover if you're on the path to riches, stay tuned. The first sign is having clear financial goals. This means knowing exactly what you want to accomplish with your money. It could be a dream home, a thriving business, or even an early retirement. These goals aren't just dreams, they're your roadmap to wealth. By defining your financial goals, you're creating a clear path towards achieving them. It's like setting your GPS for financial success. So if you've got your financial goals mapped out, you're already on the right path. Another sign is practicing consistent saving and investing habits. This is more than just stashing away a few pennies here and there. It's about making a commitment to regularly set aside a portion of your income, regardless of the amount. It's also about investing wisely, allowing your money to work for you over time. This consistent approach to saving and investing is a proven wealth-building strategy. Remember, every penny saved and invested is a step towards your financial freedom. Having diverse income streams is essential for financial success. This isn't just about working multiple jobs, it's about creating a financial safety net. Imagine a stool with one leg. It's unstable, right? But a stool with multiple legs is sturdy and reliable. That's the power of diverse income streams. It could be a salary, profits from rental properties, or earnings from side hustles. Multiple sources of income provide stability and increase your earning potential. So if you're diversifying your income streams, you're definitely on the right track. Investing in your financial education is crucial. It's not just about making money, but knowing how to manage it wisely. It's about understanding the intricacies of investments, the power of compounding, and the importance of diversification. The world of finance is vast and ever-changing. Staying ahead means continuously learning, keeping abreast of market trends, and understanding economic indicators. So commit to learning about personal finance and investing. Keep learning and expanding your financial knowledge. It's an investment that pays the best interest. Being willing to take calculated risks is a sign of an aspiring millionaire. It's about strategically stepping out of your comfort zone. Whether it's launching a business, investing in volatile markets, or chasing new opportunities, these are the risks that can yield substantial financial rewards. It's not about reckless gambles, but making informed decisions that have potential for high returns. Remember, the richest people didn't amass their wealth by playing it safe. So if you're not afraid to take calculated risks, you're setting yourself up for financial success. Surrounding yourself with successful and like-minded individuals can positively impact your financial journey. Networking with those who have already attained a level of success can offer a wealth of knowledge and insight. Engaging with these individuals can provide you with new perspectives, strategies, and opportunities that you might not have considered. They can also offer guidance and support as you navigate your own path to wealth. Remember, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Persistence and resilience are key traits of successful people. This journey to wealth is rarely a straight path. You'll encounter hiccups, setbacks, and downright failures. But that's okay. It's not about avoiding failures, but how you react to them. Stay focused. Don't let temporary setbacks deter you from your ultimate financial goals. Embrace resilience. Learn from your mistakes, dust yourself off, and keep going. Remember, the most successful people are those who persist, even when the going gets tough. Stay persistent and resilient, and you'll be well on your way to financial success. In conclusion, if you see these 7 signs in your financial life, you're on the right path to getting rich. Remember, setting clear financial goals, developing consistent saving and investing habits, diversifying your income streams, continuously learning about finances, taking calculated risks, surrounding yourself with successful influences, and demonstrating persistence and resilience are all crucial steps on your journey to wealth. Keep your eyes on the prize and continue to strive for progress, not perfection. With dedication and perseverance, you can achieve financial freedom and live the life you've always dreamed of. Thank you for watching. We hope you found some valuable insights today. Remember, every thumbs up and subscription helps us create more content to guide you on your journey to financial freedom. So don't be shy. Hit those like and subscribe buttons and let us know your thoughts and experiences in the comments. We love hearing your stories and learning from you too. Until next time, take care and keep hustling towards your financial goals. I'll see you in the next video.